you are not able to generate the video from
Yes, sir.
Animaker.
Yes, sir. I put the prompt inside. Then it asked me to say if you want the voiceover for female or male and all those other options.
Yes. Yes.
But when I put those options and I have kept to I have the last option was generate video, and
Mm-hmm.
it has stopped at that last process, and it has not been moving at all.
Okay. See, try to open it in the incognito window. Like incognito window, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So try to open it in incognito window. There might be some glitches from the Animaker backend because that doesn't happen usually. Okay.
I try to again put the same prompt today in the morning and try
Yes,
to
yes.
generate again. It has not yet generated since morning.
Yes, that's what I am saying. There might be some glitches from the Animaker end, and but if you try it in the incognito window, this will work. Okay. If
Oh,
the if still the issue persists, we will take care of it.
okay, sir. So
Yes.
is it okay if I submit my project tomorrow instead of today?
Yes, yes. No worries.
Thank you so much, sir.
Welcome. See, see most of the students have sent their videos, and it's like amazing. Well done, everyone. Amazing work from you guys. Nice. So today we will start with the content writing, but still the strength is very low. Let's just wait for them 2 more minutes. Okay, then we will start. Sanat, for the buffering problem, there is a network issue, or you can try to open it in the incognito window. Okay. So everyone, I think students have joined. Let's start with the today's session. So today we will cover content writing or blog, you can say, and your doubts that you have with the Animaker or the previous sessions. We can cover it at the end of the session. Okay. Till then, if you have any doubts other than that as well, you can note them in your notebook. And for the today's doubts as well, please note them. So let's start it. I'm sharing my screen. So my screen is visible, everyone.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. So let's start. See, first, thing is content writing, like what content writing is or what blogging is. So what blog is, let's blog is a form of text that we write, uh, that where we write our views, our opinions, or our perspective. Basically, we write on a topic, on a specific topic, that what we think about that. Let's suppose I'm searching here digital marketing. Now here comes the first website from the Investopedia. What is digital marketing? So they have written like what digital marketing is, right? So this is a blog. This text form articles with links with images are called blogs. A simple and short definitions. So other than that, here more blogs we have to see. Let's see this one as well. Digital Marketing Institute. They have also written this kind, right? The content is written here as well, like digital marketing course by the industry for the industry. This type of content is called website content writing. Okay, the previous that we have seen about what digital marketing is, the full article on it, that is called blog. But when we write for the website, suppose this one, the digital marketing course by the industry for the industry, here we have to write a simple, specific, to the point words. So these words, these kind of content called the website content writing, and that one is blog. So we will cover about the blogging today, like how to write the blogs. Okay. Also, for the today's session, we have social media captions as well, but in the syllabus, we will cover all these things like in these sessions as well. Let's start with the blog, like how to write the blog. Shall I, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank
Yes,
you so
sir.
much. See, for the first thing, we have different websites. Like we see what is digital marketing. Investopedia has written on it. Wikipedia has written on it, but we are not the content writers, right? We don't know how to write. We don't know where to start. We don't know the words they took. So what we do is we took the help of AI tools or some tools that help us to write the content. First, we will open Google Docs. Let's start with the first website. Here, when you open with this, close, and here click on the Docs home but option. Okay, Google Docs is same like Microsoft Word that we have used. Everyone might have used Microsoft Word, but we are using Google Docs because it is online, and our work will be whole, on the cloud. So if we lost our computer desktop, if we virus attacked us, then our work will be safe on the cloud. So that's why we are using Google Docs. Next website is SEO title generator Fatjoy. SEO title generator Fatjoy. So this, the first website here, blog post title headline generator. What this tool will help us is this will generate the blogs titles for us. Okay, we just enter a topic here, it will generate different titles. We will see here. Now let's move to the next website, that is Quillbot. Quillbot, the first website here, but you have to click on paraphrasing tool. So what Quillbot or paraphrasing tool do, it rewrites the words we gave it to. Okay, it rewrites the words. It changes the words with synonyms, or changes the form of the sentence, like some words are in the front, in the starting, make them in the ad. It changes it. Why we do it? To make our content unique. So the next website is plagiarismdetector.net. Plagiarismdetector.net. So now, what plagiarism is? The question arises here. Basically, or in the layman language, plagiarism is the copied content. Like if we copy content from the someone else website, it is a plagiarized content. So same as YouTube. Like if one video is uploaded, but I upload the same video after downloading it on my channel, then it will be copyrighted. Here in the text from blogs, we use that word as plagiarized. And to check if the content is plagiarized or not, we have this tool, that is plagiarismdetector.net. So we have four websites here. These four websites will help us to write the content. So now moving on, let's first take a here blank document. Like you can see here as well. These are my previous documents as well. So blank document here we took. Now the first thing that we write in the blog. See, blog has a format. First comes title. You can write it down as well in your notebook. The first thing in the blog, that is title. Then we have the of the blog. Intro of the blog. Then we have the full body content. And at the end we have conclusion. Just like we write in the, you know, our exam times in the college days or in the school days. Like if somebody asks what's the process of photosynthesis, then what we do is we first explain what is photosynthesis, then we do we do explain the process of it, and at the end we put a conclusion, a ending note to end our answer, right? That's the same process we are going to follow here. Now the first thing, that is title. For to generate the title, we have this website, title blog title generator from the SEO, sorry, from the fetcher. So here we have to enter our topic, such as I'm entering here mm, insurance. Okay, make sure the first word is capital, insurance, and click on generate titles. It will generate 10 titles for us. Like see, it has given 10 titles. Now if you do not like any of the titles, what we can do is we can again click on generate titles. It will generate more 10 titles for us. Done. It has given more titles. Now if we again click on it, it will generate more 10 titles as well. So you will never be, missing out of titles here. So let's take a title first, the advanced guide to insurance. Let's start with the basic one, the advanced guide to insurance. So copy it here, comes to the Google Docs and paste here. But when we are pasting with Control plus V. But you do not have to paste with Control V, because, like you can see here at the end background of this title, a blue shadow is there, a blue background is there. So let's delete this one. Then how we need to paste? We need to paste with Control plus Shift plus V. Okay. Again Control plus Shift plus V, and then our title will be here. Now this is our title. Just select this one, and here on the above side you can see the normal text. When you click on this, here is the option of title. Just click on it. Now it is in the title form. Done. Now here put an enter. See, our title is here. Now we need the content to write on, right? So go to the Google, search what is insurance. Simple. What is insurance? Now the websites will comes up. So starting with the first website, here open this one with the right click on it and open link in new tab. It will be open in new tab. Next website, right click and open link in new tab. So when we are writing content or writing blogs, we need the content from at least 2 or 3 websites. Okay, do not ever take a single website to write content. Like we have taken the Investopedia, we cannot take the full content from here. Otherwise, it will be 100% same. Okay, let's took another website from the Canada. This one as well. Open link in new tab. So the first thing that you need to do now is to check if these websites have content or not to write on. Let's suppose what is insurance. First, it defines what is insurance, then how insurance works, then the policy components, insurance policy components. It gives the components here. Then we comes down. It says the types of insurance. So basically, the content is here. Like we can add in our title, the advanced guide to insurance. Now comes with the second website here. Just here, see introduction. That is what is insurance. Key takeaways. Why is insurance important? The terms of insurance you need to know. A new point here. This was not in the here Investopedia. So again, how does insurance work? Filing a claim, types of insurance, and benefits. So we have two more content that is benefits and insurance terms. In the third website, let's see what type of content it is here. First, introduction or the insurance definition and meaning, policy components, how does it work, then why is insurance necessary? 2 points. We here have points for the why is insurance necessary and the types. We also have the point types in the points as well. That's a good thing. Okay, benefits, exclusions. So we have the content. Now let's start. So let's start with the how to write it. So we have the format, that is title, then intro of the title, that is insurance. We have to give the introduction, like what insurance is. So let's start with this second website because we here have the introduction part. So now you have to copy these 2 paragraphs with Control C. Come to this website, that is Quillbot, paraphrasing tool, the paraphraser. Here on the left hand, paste the content. Now here below you can see this website has a limit of 125 words at a time, at a single time. So we cannot exceed these words, but we have 111 words. So click on the paraphrase option. Now on the right hand side, it will give you, it will change the words of your blogs, of your, sorry, it will change the words of your text. Like you can see here, the insurance content says is called a policy. The policy is the actual insurance deal. It changes some words with the synonyms. So now copy this one here on the copy text. Now come with to the plagiarism detector tool. Now we have to detect the plagiarism of this. Just copy paste here and remember one thing, when you are pasting here, when you are checking the plagiarism here, never check a plagiarism for a single line. Means this single line, because it will be just buffering and buffering for so on. So here click on the check plagiarism option. Sometimes it says session expired if the website is remain idle for some time. Let's paste it again and check plagiarism. Now it is processing. See, what it says is 100% unique. That means this content doesn't exist on Google app anywhere. This is what we want. Okay. If a single person comes up here that a single person says that it is a plagiarized content, then we have to change it again. Let's see it further in the session. Now for the now on, copy this text from here again, come to the Google Docs. Now here paste with Control Shift V. Never paste with Control V. Paste with Control Shift V. And the content is here. Just enter. See, we have written the introduction. What next is key takeaways. We have the key takeaways from here as well, like we have seen here. So we can write the key takeaways from here. A change of content. Some words might be changed here, right? So first, copy this heading, copy, come to Google Docs and paste. Control Shift V. Now see, I have pasted the heading as it is and didn't change it because headings and subheadings never contains the plagiarism. Okay, we do not need to change them. Now here it is the heading. We have to change it from here normal text, that is styles, to heading 1. We have changed. It is heading 1. Now write the content of it. Like copy, go to the quillbot here on the left hand side, remove this one and paste. Okay, and paraphrase. It will be paraphrased here. Okay, the lines are changed. Now again copy the text from this option and go to the plagiarism. Here comes the option recheck. Okay, now here paste it and check plagiarism. Give it a time. Now see, what it says is 30% unique only and 30% is exact, that is in the red part, and blue, that is partial, that it might be have some words that are plagiarized. So in this situation, what we can do is go to the paraphrasing tool again, that is Quillbot, and rephrase. Nothing else. You just have to rephrase it again. And let's just rephrase it one more time and done. Copy it, come to the plagiarism detector, recheck, and paste it here. Now check plagiarism, and it's 100% unique. Now copy it again, come to the Google Docs, and here under the key takeaways we have to paste with Control Shift V. Done. Now you can see it is in the points. So we can also add the points here by selecting it, and here on the just like Google MS Word, here we have the option of bullet points. Click on it. Done. And yes, see, now we have some content here. So your doubts are just like some doubt that need to be cleared here as well. ChatGPT content is not quality content, you can say, because it needs the human touch. And if you do not know how to write the content, then how would you write the content from the ChatGPT as well? Because the formatting you need, to follow will be learned by if you do it from these things. And what if some point at some point like chat gpt disappears, what will do? And I have shown that like how to update the plagiarism, like if it shows plagiarism, then how to remove it. And quillbot is not detected, as you have seen as well. Now moving forward, let's write us one more two things as well here. Key takeaways, how insurance works, or let's go to the third website this time. See, we have written this in meaning as well. Then we here have types of insurance policies. Let's suppose copy this one, come to the Google Docs here, enter, and one more, paste it. Control Shift plus V. This is the types of insurance policy. Now, just see, this is what heading. See, key takeaway is heading one. So this will be heading one again, not heading two. Okay, this will be the heading one again because we are following as the main heading of this. This is the main heading. But if we have, like, I am writing here insurance policy, the first insurance policy here, life insurance policy. Now this will be the heading 2 because it's a subheading of this part. Okay, this is how it needs to be because so sorry. See, this is how it needs to be. This is the heading 1, main heading, types of insurance policy. It's a main heading. Now if we want to write the types, like I have added life insurance policy, it's a sub point of this. So we need, so this will be the heading 2. That means it's a part of heading 1. This is how it works. So let's write it down here. Copy the life insurance part, paraphrasing tool here, paste it here, and paraphrase. Done. See, let's copy it again and go to the plagiarism, recheck, paste the content here, and check the plagiarism. It's 100% unique. So copy it again from here, go to the Google Docs. Now see, one more important thing, it's a heading 2. So the life insurance policy content will be, you might think it can be come here, but no. If you put it here, it will also be in the heading 2, but it's a normal text. So you have to put a enter here. In the next line, you have to paste with Control Shift V. Okay. Again, I am doing with the second one. Let's suppose it's a health insurance policy. Here we have entered Control Shift V. This will be the heading 2 again because it's a part of this types of insurance policy, not the life insurance policy or not the main heading. Okay, so let's again copy it, the health insurance policy, paraphrasing tool, here paste it and paraphrase. It's done. Now you can see one more thing. If some, what happens sometimes the words might changes differently, and if a word change differently with a synonym, it changes the full context of the sentence. So if you want to change a single word here, you can just click on it. Just like there are certain distinctions. So I want to change the word distinction. Just click on the distinction word. It will give other options, other synonyms as well. Like differences I have changed. Here I click on this one and it gives you like you as well. So this is how you can change the synonyms manually as well. Just copy the text, come to the plagiarism, recheck, and paste your content, and here check plagiarism. It's 100% unique. Just copy it again, go to the Google Docs. Now here put a enter. Now paste Control Shift plus V. Done. These two are the points. So let's make them with the bullet points. So I think it's clear till now. Very nice. See, we have put made the some blog here started. Now what will be next is we have taken the content types of insurance policy from this website. Let's move to the other one. Here on the first website, it also has types of insurance. Let's suppose home insurance, copy, and here Google Docs and paste. This will be the heading. Two again, home insurance policy. Sometimes you can paste or write. Sorry. Sometimes you need to write by yourself some words as well. Like we are following life insurance policy, health insurance policy, and here it was home insurance only. So I added myself home insurance policy. Let's add the content here. Copy this one, go to the paraphrase and paste. Paraphrase from here. To paraphrasing, copy the content, go to the plagiarism and recheck and paste it down. Check plagiarism. Again, it's 100% unique. Copy it, go to the Google Docs, enter and paste. Done. So now you have know how to write the blog, right? So at the end, suppose this is the life types of insurance policy. You have written all the types here. Okay. Then after types of types, what you will can do is why is insurance important? But we have taken the content from this Investopedia website as well. Let's move to the first one, second one. Here the terms we have, so you can add these terms, copy and paste. It will be now this will be heading which one? The heading 1 because it's again comes with the main heading. Okay. So after completing all the terms and all the headings, at the end you have to write the conclusion. Now conclusion will also be the heading 1, and at the end of all these websites you will find the conclusion of the blog. It can be conclusion, the end note, or the below note, you can say. Like just a second. In this website it says how to get the insurance. Now one more thing here, one more type of content writing comes up, that is content marketing. See, MetLife is what? MetLife is a company that provides the insurance. So this company writes the blog on insurance. But why? Because they are promoting their self with the help of content marketing. After completing all the blog, they have written how to get insurance, and they will, type their self, like you can contact us, and you will be, we will be guiding you about how to get the insurance. This is the content marketing as well. Let's move to the second, third one. Did they have the conclusion? Yes, they have this conclusion, summing up, conclusion, or whatever the word. The word can be changed, but the meaning is same. So you can write it. Okay. Yep. At the end, just after all the things like paraphrasing and plagiarism, you need to type it here. Now, the main important thing that comes up again, that how much words we have to write. Okay, how much words we have to write. That is one minimum 1000 words. Okay, you have to write minimum 1000 words in a blog. That can go up to like 1100, 1200, even 1500 words. That's not an issue, but minimum that needs to be 1000 words. Now, how to check the words? The thing comes up, how to check the words. So to check the words here in the blog Google Docs, we have the shortcut, that is Control Shift C. Okay, the shortcut is Control Shift C, and we have how many words? 487. Okay, so please,
Sir,
uh,
to
please,
check the number of words, do we
yes,
have to totally highlight it or there is some
no,
other
no,
method?
you don't need to highlight. See, I haven't highlighted anything, I haven't selected anything. Just press the Control Shift and C button, and we have the word count.
Okay, thank you.
So this is how you write the blogs. Done, everyone. The whole concept of blog is there. Just give me a minute. Okay, now see, just two simple queries, like how to sorry, the sequence of the titles that we need to follow. There is not a sequence, but there is a logical sequence behind these things. Like, see, first we have to enter the write the introduction. We have written, then we have written the key takeaways, all the following part, all the titles of the sequence you will be getting on the websites as well. Okay, you don't need to worry about all these things. Like after introduction, what can comes up? This might be benefit, this might be features, or this might be types. Whatever you can want to write, it's up to your choice. So this is how the blogs are written. Now, why we are writing these blogs, or how to, yes, Hania, I will also come with these points as well. Now the so part are we, how, why we
Excuse me,
are.
sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
So you just told now some of the key points introduction. What
Prano, like I said, like I said, please type your queries in the chat box. Okay, like I am also in the middle after completing a topic. I am, solving the queries at the end. Now the thing comes up, why we are writing the blogs. Okay, see, blogs, with the help of blog, we might also earn. We might can earn money from this content writing. How? Now the question comes, how? See, Google AdSense. Some might know or some might don't know. You know, YouTubers are earning from their YouTube channels by showing the ads on their channels, right? But how they are running the ads? See, there is a certain limit, there is a certain criteria or eligibility. Like after completing these watch hours, after completing these this these numbers of subscribers, you will be getting the approval for the AdSense. AdSense is a platform. AdSense is a platform from the Google that shows ads on our channel. This same thing goes up with the blog. Same thing. Like we are writing the blog, our website will be published after we have done all the things. Then after publishing the blogs on the website, these are certain things, certain criteria. If we follow them, we submit for the AdSense, then we can earn from these things. I will also show you how to do this. Okay, what AdSense platform looks like. But before, yes, Manish, I haven't done the plagiarism because I just wanted to see you all. Like I already said it in that time. So we are on the AdSense. So first, showing you the AdSense platform, I'm showing you the SEO part, search engine optimization. Okay, we need to follow some here tricks to rank our blog on the Google. So we are following these things.
Sir, your screen not visible.
Okay, but it says my screen is sharing. Everybody, others also. My screen is visible or not?
Yes.
Run Vijay, yes. Like my screen is visible. Yes, visible. And thank you so much, everyone. There might be some, network errors from your end. Okay. See, we are here on the SEO part, search engine optimization. Like we have written the blog. Now comes the second part, search engine optimization. So take your notebooks and you can write it down as well.
सर
Like
सर ये आपका वो स्क्रीन नहीं आ रहा है, वो
uh,
इंश्योरेंस का
uh,
शो कर रहा है.
then Vijay, please, try to change your network because everybody is seeing my screen. So let's start with the SEO.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Small doubt, sir, please.
Can we please clear the doubts at the end? Please, please. It's a request. Okay. We are in the middle of the topic, and after all the topics, I will cover your doubts. No issue with the we are not sticking with the 7:30 time. So let's start with the SEO this time. See, SEO is the process. You can write it down as well. SEO is the process. SEO is the process to rank our website or to increase the traffic on our website organically. Okay, everybody. I'm repeating again. SEO or search engine optimization is the process to rank our website or to increase the traffic on our website organically. Never forget the word organically. So here organically or organic means free, natural, you can see. Means we are not paying for the advertisements to rank our website on the Google. Done. So here SEO has 3 points, three types you can say. SEO has three types. That is, first one is on page SEO, second is off page SEO, and third is technical SEO.
Hello,
Clear?
hello. Sorry, sir. Uh, hello.
Yes.
Actually, right now we are able to see your Google Doc screen only. Are you sharing that only? Or
Yes.
are you sharing
No,
any some
I'm
other?
sharing only the Google Doc screen. Okay.
Okay, then
And
okay.
yes, yes. Okay. Please, come try to chat, uh, type in the chat box all the queries. So where we are on the types of SEO. That is on page SEO, second is off page SEO, and the third is technical SEO. Okay, the third one was technical SEO. Now, what is on page SEO? See, on page SEO, that means we are working with the some process or some techniques. We are using some process or some techniques of SEO on our page. That means this is Google Docs. This is our page. We are using some process or some techniques of the SEO on this page to rank our website. This is on page SEO. We will do this on page SEO now. Second one was off page SEO. That is, we are using the SEO techniques outside our page. Means we are not using the SEO techniques on this Google Doc page. We are using it outside on the third party website to rank our website. Clear? Third one was technical SEO. So the technical SEO was like what our website is looking like. What our website is looking like, what's the structure of the website, and the web speed of the website,
Sir, sorry,
all
sir.
these things.
Sorry, sir. Your
So
screen is not sharing, sir.
I'm not sharing my screen. Please do not disturb in the middle of the topic. It's a request, everyone.
सर यदि हमको समझ में नहीं आएगा तो हम कैसे क्या क्या करने के लिए बैठे हुए हैं सर?
Because see, I am not sharing my screen. I have repeated it many times. We are
ओके.
in the many times. We are in the middle of the topic. Okay. So sorry, everyone. So sorry. See, okay, Karan. We were on the technical SEO. Basically, I haven't cleared it clearly. So the technical SEO is we are working on the website's structure, like what our website is looking like. Suppose I am sharing here. Now I am sharing. See on my screen. Mm, this. Okay. This is the blog we have from our student. See, this website is looking like this. Here is other social plugins, the most popular things, the tags, the categories, about me, and all the things. Now, if I am clicking on this fashion category, the fashion blogs are opening up. This is the technical SEO, like what our website is looking like. All the links are working fine. The website speed is working fine. These all things are taken care of in the technical SEO. So the types of SEO has been clear. Now we will start with the on-page SEO, like how we do the on-page SEO. So the on-page SEO was like the techniques that we follow on our website. So the first one is meta tags. In the on-page SEO, the first technique is meta tags. So what meta tags are? Basically, we are writing on the insurance. So some terms are here in the blog itself that are relevant to this or that are important to this blog. So we highlight these terms like this financial loss. We just make it highlighted by bolding it. I bold this word. It's a meta tag. Done. Again, unfortunate incident. That is why we took insurance. So it's a meta tag. So next comes with insurance company. Now the third is insurance company, because if we are having an insurance, We may go to the insurance company. So this is a meta tag. We just bold it. One more thing, we need to highlight the words. That can be bold, that can be italics, or that can be underlined. Clear? See here, one more word, National Association of Insurance Commissioners. We bold it again. So what we did is we make the meta tags. Okay, what we did is we made the meta tags. Okay, Shubham, not a worry. So we have done, see, in the on-page SEO, we have covered the first technique, that is meta tags, by bolding the words. Now comes up again. See, we do not need to, bold the sentences. The sentences are not the meta tags. Suppose the expenses of being liable for harm or the damage to a third party may be covered by insurance. It's an important line, right? It's an important line to this one, but we cannot bold this. We cannot highlight this as a meta tag, because meta tags are the words, 2 words, 3 words, or the name. Like this is the name of the association. So we can just bold these kind of words, not this full sentence. And we also do not need to make the meta tags in all these paragraphs or all the sentences. Like I can just, if I'm not finding any words here, I can skip this part. I can come down, like medical claim insurance. I can make a meta tag here and not a single one here. That's not an issue. Now the thing comes up, why we do this. The next point that I am going to, why we make the meta tags. See, uh, meta tags are basically why we do this, because Google has its tool, or it's a bot, that is crawler. Crawler. Google has its bot, that is crawler. So what crawler do is, it goes to the website, like crawler will come up on, see, this is the website, crawler will come up on this website, and then crawler will scan all the data of this blog, and everyone's blog. Now after scanning, it stores that data in its storage, in its server. So Google has stored the data in two formats. Like in first one is meta tags, and the second one is full blog. So when I am searching, let's suppose we have this mediclaim insurance in our blog, and I am searching on the Google mediclaim insurance. Okay, see, mediclaim insurance. Now those who have this meta tag, this word as a meta tag in their blog, Google will show their blog on first, and so on. Okay, so basically it helps us to rank our website, to rank our blog on the Google. This is the meta tag. Done. I think now it's clear. To rank our website on the Google, meta tag help us. Like again I am repeating, crawler crawls the website, scan all the blog, and store it in its server. Now it stores the full blog in a one part, and the meta tag in a second part. Now when some person is, searching on the Google about a single word, and crawler knows that this word belongs to this meta tag and this meta tag belongs to this blog, then it ranks that blog on the Google. This is how the crawler works. So moving forward, we have done with the meta tags. Next thing is external link. Next thing is external link. Now the external link is the third party link that is not belonging to our website. Clear? A short and simple definition: a third party website that is not belonging to us. So how, first let's see how to add an external link in our website and then why. See, this is the word. Copy this word, go to Google, paste it, and write Wikipedia with this. Now the Wikipedia website is here with the same word. The word needs to be the same. Let's open this website. Here some content is there, so just copy the link, copy this link and go to the Google Docs. Here select this word, and upon here on the above side you will see this link option. When you click on it, directly paste the link here in the search and apply. So the link has been added. The external link has been added in this blog. Just as simple. So why we do this external link? uh, the word of external link, external, external link. Okay, so why we add the external link in our website? What's the use of it? We will, uh, I'm going to explain this with an example. Let me just think. See, our website.
Sir, is this off-page CEO?
No, we are only working on the on page till now. Okay, so it's the second technique of the on page, that is external link. So what external link do is, see, this is our website. Suppose, let's assume this is our website and we have published this blog with our name. Now Google doesn't know us, so how Google will, trust us that our content, this website content is relevant, this website content is accurate or correct? How Google will know? So what it does is, Google will not rank us because we do not have any authenticity, right? We do not have any authenticity. That's why what we do is we add an external link in our blog in our website. For example, with the help of example, you will understand this better. See, there is a cream in the market that's a newly launched of the skincare, right? But it's a new cream, a new brand, a single product of this brand. So why people will, trust that brand? No one will trust because it's a matter of skin. It's a matter of sensitive things. So what brands do is, they advertisement, they put celebrity as in a collaboration, just like Amitabh Bachchan. Suppose we are working, there is a company Boro Plus. Boro Plus. Everybody might know us, know this. Boro Plus. So when this launched the cream, Amitabh Bachchan did the advertisement. So after the advertisements, everybody knows Amitabh Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan has a personality. He has a fan value. He has a face value. So they trust that Boro Plus thing as well, because he has a authenticity, and they knows, people knows that if Amitabh Bachchan is doing their advertisement, there might be a low chances that this might be a fraud, right? This is the same thing that goes with our blog. We put we put Wikipedia with us, just like Amitabh Bachchan. And when Google's tool crawler comes down, see, it comes here, it fetches this data, and this data. Then here, after coming here, crawler knows that who is here, Wikipedia. Who is with us is Wikipedia. Wikipedia is authentic, so it green check us as an authentic website. Okay, and when we are authentic, when Google consider us as authentic, it ranks us again. This is the part of external link. Okay, I think it's clear. One more thing, only one external link is added on a single blog. Like I have added this external link here, then it's done. Only a single link can be added in a single blog in the insurance. Now if I am writing a next blog that is on the cryptocurrency, I can add another link on that as well. Okay. um, so moving forward, you need to add you can add the external link of anyone's website, like the Investopedia, MetLife, Canada, anyone's. But we add the external link of Wikipedia because Wikipedia has authenticity. Till now, Wikipedia's domain authority, you can say, is 95 approximately out of 100. So we use Wikipedia only. But we can also add the others links. There is not a issue with that. So we are done with the meta tags and the external link today. Now let's move forward. The third option, the third technique, that is images, like how to add the images. So my screen is visible, right? Everybody, everyone, my screen is visible.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. So the next part is how to add the images. See, we are working on the insurance blog. Go to the Google and search for insurance images. In the image section, we have this more of the images. We can add anyone's. Let's start with this first one, the insurance. Okay, try to add the images that are relevant to your blog. So this is the insurance image. Download it with right click on it and save image as png, the same option that we did in the during the Canva. So the insurance image is downloaded. Simple. Insurance image is downloaded. Go to the Google Docs here. After the introduction, put a enter, and here on the above and above side you can see insert image option. Right? Click on this, upload from computer, select the image, open, and our image is here. Done. The image has been done, added here. It's just as simple. Yes, you can use Pixabay, you can use any website for the images. Just one more thing, when you are choosing the image, two things needs to be considered. First one is their image is high quality, the image is not blurred. Earlier I have also told the image should not be blurred, the image needs to be high quality. Second, there should not be any watermark on the image. Okay, there should not be any watermark on the image. Suppose this one, this is the image, here is the watermark of Shutterstock, so we cannot use this image. Here in this you can see the watermark of Ditto, the logo of Ditto, so we cannot use this. And if we see this one, this is, here you can see Investopedia. Okay, clear? Only two things. So this is all in the on page SEO. For the off page SEO, there are websites we cannot cover in this session because off page is a very big thing. So on page SEO is clear to all. On off page we have covered like what can off pages do. We put the link of our website in a simple terms. I can explain. See, this is our website. Suppose this is our website. We put this link on others website, that is called tag link, and this is the part of off page SEO. Done, everybody?
Sir, like I have a small doubt, sir.
Please type it in the chats.
Sir, I already typed 2-3 times, but I never got a notice of the same. Okay, sir, I'll type.
Okay. Just so sorry. Please type it again. Technical SEO. I have clear technical SEO. Like what's the speed of this website? We check on the speed, or the links are all cleared. Links are all working fine and all. This is the technical SEO. We cannot working on technical SEO because it's a part of backend things, the coding one. So moving forward, let's move. We have done with the content, like how to write the content. Then we have done with the SEO, basic part of the SEO. We have done with the on-page techniques as well. And then let's move to the third thing, how to create our own blog channel. Okay. Okay. A simple, very generous doubt is here. Like we should add the external link on the meta tags or on the normal links. So you can add the meta tags on, oh sorry, you can add the external link on meta tags and other than the meta tags as well. Like here, life insurance policy, it's not a meta tag, right? You can add the external link here, not an issue. One more thing, do not ever add the external link on the same word, that is insurance. If you are writing on the insurance, never add the external link on insurance. If you are writing on the cryptocurrency, do not add the external link on cryptocurrency. I think it's clear. So see, I cannot let's start with another thing, how to publish the content on the blog. Let's start the next part. So to publish the content on the website, there is a free website where you do not need to take the domain or take the hosting to run your website. So that is Blogger. Just a second. The website name is Blogger. This is the Blogger website. Here, the first one, you can publish your blog on the website. See, I already have this blog. Let's start the starting. When you click on on the Blogger option, the first website, this thing will open up. The first thing is title, like what will be the name of your blog. So to choose the name of the blog, we can use chat gpt. Okay, to choose the name of the blog, we can use chat gpt. Like here, you just need to type it a prompt, that is, please give the blog name ideas for the blogger blogger website, and just mute yourself. Okay, see, on the for the blogger website, and type it enter. Now it will give you the blog name ideas. Done. Someone's mic is on. Yes, the names are here. Now see, it is given the travel names, the design, the finance, motivation, but we need to take the name of the generals. We need to take the general name. Raja, please mute yourself. If you have any doubts, type it in the chat box. Okay. See, we have the name, the mindful, the daily vibe. let's suppose, just copy the name, go to Google, search it on the, just suppose it's not copied, copy, go to Google, search on the Google. Just so sorry everybody, there might be some errors. I'm copying it again. Done, and search. Now the daily vibe name we have taken, but it is already taken by the others, the daily vibe. So try to use the name that is not already taken. You can search on the chat GPT for that. Like you can write, give name ideas with my name, that is Mohit. I'm writing my name. So yeah, here it will give name ideas with my personal name, like move with Mohit, Mohit mindset, or the Mohit manifesto. Let's suppose I'm taking this one, go to Google, paste and search. Now see, here not a single website is here with the Mohit manifesto. So I can take this name. Okay, copy this name, go to the Google, so sorry, go to the blogger and type your name here, title, and here the same name without any space, or done without any space. Save. Now our blog will be ready here. This is how the blogger website will open up. Now in the new post, you can just paste your blog here that we have, type it here, copy and paste in the Google Docs new post, and it's done. The title needs to be here in the above side. Done, and you can publish it. This is how you can publish your own blog. So I think it's clear. Let's start. Okay, see, yes, you can mention your company name, Rajeshwari. At the end, this is the last of the session for the today's session. I'm saying this is the last. So the thing that I talk about is AdSense.
Please share the screen. Please share the screen now.
Yes, yes, my screen is sharing. Just wait a minute. So I am just opening it. AdSense. My screen is visible, right? So my screen is visible. See, the AdSense platform that I have talked about to earn money. See, here I have searched AdSense. Click on the AdSense. The first thing that is you create, we will help you earn. This is the main point of the AdSense, the Google platform, and this is how actually it works. We create and they help us to earn. Now what happens is, here see, we have to create our account on the AdSense. Then we need to, what we need to do is, we need to add our link, our website, our domain name here on the AdSense, and done. After approval of the AdSense, our blog website will show the ads. Coming down here, see, this is the important part. This is what you might, uh, all are waiting for, like how much you could earn with AdSense, the earning section. This is everybody's interest, like how to earn or what, how much you can earn. See, let's see here. In the category option, we have written on the insurance. So insurance is a blog of finance. Okay. Here are different categories: the arts, autos, beauty, electronics. You can say technology, and the news, the shopping, and the travel. Let's suppose we are taking the travel. How much you can earn if you are writing blogs on the travel? Here, on the reason we are living in the Asia. See, your potential yearly earning that are $1,200. That is, you can multiply 1,200 into the 82 or 83 something. That is the dollars rate, and convert your earning. How to convert? Suppose let's convert USD to INR. Let's see how much USD that was. 1,200. So 1,200 USD that comes with 1,03,864. This is how much you could earn yearly. Approximately you can earn. This can go high, this can go low. Let's see another category, that is finance. See, in the finance category provides us the highest earning till now. That is 3,100. Let's convert it to the INR as well. That is 2,68,317 Indian rupees. This is how much you could earn from the AdSense yearly. Okay, but your monthly page views needs to be 50,000. That's not a big deal. 50,000 page views comes on the blogs easily. Not a problem. Okay, this is the AdSense. Like, but one more thing, AdSense is not a short term. AdSense is a long term goal. This can, your blog might take some time to get it approval. It might go to the 2 months, it might go to 8 months, or the 1 year or 2 year. But after all the approvals, this is the earning you could earn if you are writing the blogs in the finance category. So I think I am clear. Okay, so from my end, it's the session has been cleared to all. Now you can come up with your queries, and I am seeing here some queries as well, like what's the approval condition. See, there are no approval condition, you can say, but there needs to be at least 30 blogs published on your website and 30,000 views, you can say, or 30,000 traffic. Mm, do we need to update the category every time on it? No, Tribhuti, you do not need to update the category. Like, see, if you are publishing 10 blogs on finance and one or two blog on the art, then your category will go up as a finance, not as a art. Okay. Rajeshwari, yes, we do need to link our website to the AdSense if you want to, run the ads. See, one more thing here, you can see this is the Niti's column. Niti is a student of ours. So her blog is approved with the Google AdSense. Now here you can see this is an ad. So this is how an ad will appear on your website. Okay, and below this is the ad. Okay, this is how the ads will appear on your websites. Ruchi, yes, Ruchi, your website can rank. And one more thing, if the sitemap is not fast, then I haven't seen that if there is an error about the sitemap and your website is AdSense approved. Okay, the sitemap should be there on the your website. Only then your website can be approved for the Google AdSense. Adya, I have already, you know, do the tutorial how to add, how to create the website, how to create the blog website here on the Blogger. Can it be added on our website which is already existing? Subroto, Suburto didn't get your point. Can you please explain?
I've already got a website which is an
Yes,
HTTPS colon double double slash.
yes.
So if I have blogs in that, how do I connect it? Do I have to connect it to Google AdSense or will it automatically?
See, when you will, applying for the Google AdSense, it will require for your domain name, your website domain. So when you will adding your domain name there, it will be automatically connected. Raja, if you have any doubt, please type it in the chats because your voice is not audible. Okay, your voice is not audible. Please type in the chats. Padma, yes, we can bring out. You can bring your artwork in the blogs as well. Like if you have a painting or anything, you can write a blog on it and add your arts on it. Yes, Gaurav, you can use AdSense for both blogs and YouTube. This is not an issue. Tirupati, you do not need to give the credit to the images. There is not an issue with that. Okay. And we have already covered the SEO to get the traffic on our website. All these things will help you to, you know, rank your website on the Google or also increase the traffic on your website.
Sir, what is sir, what is the sitemap, sir? Sir, you told that like in case there's no sitemap, you
Yes,
can't be
yes.
searched on
See,
Google.
there was a doubt from someone that if the website doesn't have a sitemap, then how will it be approved or it can be approved or not? The sitemap is a code in your website already in your website listing. So you can I cannot show you how to add this or what is a sitemap. Sitemap, just understand, sitemap is a code that has all the data of your website in a single code. Okay, a single short definition: sitemap has all the data of your website in a single code.
Sir, I have a question. I have
Yes.
purchased an insurance domain name from GoDaddy.
Yes.
I'm yet to publish it. Create a
Insurance domain name.
www.key2insure.com.
Okay, okay.
Okay, I'm yet to actually I've done it a long time, but I don't have the expertise and I had other work, so I didn't pay much attention. But I want to start doing it. So,
Mhm.
do you get? Is there any course in this particular in the syllabus of yours where you teach how to do that also in other domains, not just blogger.com?
See, we do not have these kind of things in the syllabus, but
Mm.
I can do one thing. You can connect with us after the session. We can, you know, help you out with this thing.
Okay, today I can connect with you.
Not today, after the 3 weeks bootcamp, so that you can have a better understanding of all the things. So at the end, you will understand all the things what we really want you to understand.
Okay, fine.
Okay,
Thank you so much.
you can
Yeah.
connect with us. There's not a problem.
Just one more question. Like,
Yes.
do you think the earnings from other websites instead of from blogger.com is higher or is it lower?
No, no, that's not a thing. Blogger.com is just a platform,
Okay.
and there is also a platform WordPress.com, but the earnings will be the same. Only matters is the category or the blog or the views of your blog.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Anya, how to earn if we publish blog on each topic. Then you can go with the any of the topic. You can just add any of the category in the blog.
Sir, I have doubt.
Yes.
I just asked you about giving a credit link to
Yes.
avoid some like
What kind of credit link you want to give?
yeah, using any kind of images to avoid
Mhm.
copyright infringement and all that things.
No, see,
Many
there,
times we see that
Mhm.
many famous news channels or they also give credits to everyone using
Mhm.
their image or like that. So if
Do
we
one
want
thing.
to give
Yes.
that type of credit, and I have already added some link, external link
Mm.
like Wikipedia,
Then
then
that will
is
be
it
not
possible?
yes, yes, I understand. Like if you have already added the external link, then how can you add the other link? Then it will not be a external link or not, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So
So
particularly giving a credit to
yes,
media we
you do
have
not
used.
really need to give the credit first of all. The first thing that you really do not give the credit to the images from you have taken, because most of the images are free to use from the Pixabay or Unsplash. Plus, if you want to give the credit, this is not an issue. You can just add their link, or from my point of view, try not to give, because if you have many links on your website from the third party, that will not be a good sign with your website authenticity. Okay. And those who do not have any doubt, you can leave. There is not an issue. But yes, we also have class on tomorrow. We also have class tomorrow. Okay, everybody. So let's. I think all the doubts have been cleared.
Sir, what is the other blog name, sir? Like actually the
Yes.
other I said the
Uh,
other blog website name.
okay. See, you can. Uh, your first thing is you have to write the blog on the insurance or the cryptocurrency. Okay, any topic you can take on.
Okay, sir.
If you do not write the blog, then we cannot go with the you know second day's class or the tomorrow's class further,
Yes, sir.
because we need these things. Because if you do not know how to write, then how will you understand the next things?
Yes,
So
sir.
we need
Yes, sir.
to just write it down or we need to create a blogger account.
No, you can just write down on the Google Doc. Okay. And you can
Excuse me,
publish
sir.
your blog as well on the blogger if you find your name. Okay, if you have decided your name, you can publish it on the blogger as well.
Sir, excuse me. So the same content can be put in all the bloggers, sir, repeatedly.
The same content means,
For the content, for example, did the content no, for insurance, no? The same
Mhm.
can put in the repeated for all the blogs, sir.
Yeah, yes, like the same process will follow up, you mean to say?
No, the contents I'm asking.
No, you cannot add the same sentence in other blogs. No, that will be plagiarized.
No, we only generating the content, no, the same whatever the content we generated, that should be placed in all the blogs, or we have to, for every blog, see, we have to change the content.
For every blog, you have to change the content.
Okay,
Yes, every time. Okay,
okay, thank you.
so let's end the class
Sir,
here.
sir, you told, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, you told about plagiarism. Can I please know more about that? Plagiarism.
Yeah. What I told?
So, plagiarism, sir.
Yes. Um, Pranav, you can check the recordings, please. Okay.
So what is today's homework?
So, homework I have already given. You have to write the blog on the insurance topic or the cryptocurrency blog topic. Okay.
Sir, can
So
you help me
everyone,
how to download the video on this?
yes.
Yeah.
I just forgot. So sorry. See, can we do this in the next class? Because my some students have also left. so they can also understand.
No, sir. Like actually, sir, I have. Sir, like actually, one is blogger.com, sir. Other like what is a blog website where we can write, sir? Which you told.
Can you please write in the chats? Didn't get your point. What you really want to say?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, his question is, which is the other website where we can upload our own blog other than blogger.com?
The next website is you can upload your blog on is WordPress. Okay, but WordPress is paid. You have to buy the hosting. You have to buy the domain. So why to pay for all the things? Okay.
Sir, also, while we are creating a blog, should we consider only on-page SEO or we need to apply all three SEOs into our blog?
Didn't get your point. Please explain again.
Now here we used on-page SEO as an example where we added links to our own blog.
Yes.
So in our other blogs also, so when we are creating our blog, we need should we add only any SEOs we want to, or should we add all the three SEOs? Like we should focus on every three SEOs of our one blog.
See, if you are properly going for the content writing for the blogging, obviously you have to focus on all these SEO types, full blog SEO. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So that's all, everyone. So how's the today's session, everybody? If you, I can please hear your reviews for the today's session.
It was fantastic, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Most welcome.
Sir, I just have a doubt.
Thank you, sir.
Yes,
Sir, this
Pranav.
is related to any type of search engine. So which search engine comes under this, sir? Can I get more about this? Search engines like Google.
Google. We all use Google.
You have to. Okay,
Okay.
ठीक है. Thank you.
Yes, Ramya, you can use your company name as for the blogging as well. But if you have a domain with the your name, let's suppose you have a domain ramya.com, then try to add some other name that is ramya.in or others as well. That will be better. But not an issue if you use the same name.
So tomorrow same timing, sir. Excuse me, sir.